The basics of using a slotted drill shank hammer drill. Parts: power supply, bit, variable speed trigger, trigger lock, chuck, mode selector, depth guide, support handle, safety. Wear safety glasses, use hearing protection. Tight-fitting gloves are recommended. N95 face masks are recommended. Some drills offer a HEPA filter vacuum port to help control the dust. Operation: select drill, hammer, or hammer drill. Place the point of the bit on your hole mark. Use a steady downward pushing force as you drill through the material. Use reverse to remove a bit. How to change a bit. Disconnect power before making any adjustments. Select the bit type, length, and diameter for the material. Pull back the chuck sleeve to release the bit. Remove the bit. Insert your new bit and release the chuck sleeve to lock the bit into place.